Today we're going to be installing the Shadeidea.com Jeep Gladiator JT sun top. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be installing these window channels. See how that's different than the regular bungee ball that you normally see with these sunshades. And there's going to be a sheet of paper. I've got them sitting on my driver's side. I'm going to show you in a second, but this is what they kind of should look like when you're done. There's the pieces on the top, and then there's the bottoms on the windshield channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to my driver's side, and I'll show you kind of how these work. So you take your sheet of paper that they give you, and you're going to wrap it around the ball. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stick it in up here on the windshield channel area. You're going to kind of move it back and forth until you can kind of see it come through down here. See, it's right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that. And I don't know if I was able to grab both sides. There we go. And so it pulled right through. And so there's that one. So now I'm going to grab this other piece, and I'm going to insert it towards the middle. And I may have to move these around a little bit when I actually get the top on here. I just kind of wanted to go ahead and get these in place before everything's in my way. So again, I'm just kind of pushing it through that channel up there. Comes out on the bottom. Pull the paper. It pulls it right through. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and show you, kind of lay the top on here and kind of show you how that mounts on there. So I'm going to take my sunshade now. Get up here. And lay it out. So now what I'll do is I'll take these that I've already put through here. Now I've already done the passenger side, so I've got it attached right there. So once you get these done, you're gonna pull your top, kind of figure out where you want all these to sit. And I may readjust those over there on that side in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this and slide it through. Got the front ones installed. I'm now going to start working on the rest of the sunshade. And what they say to do is to make sure that the ball on the end of the bungee is inside. So what they're meaning by that is you loop it through like this, pull this around, come through here, and that way when you go under, you can see the ball should be on that side. You're going to reach around and secure the ball on the inside of the Jeep. So it'll look like that when you're done. And I'm going to go down and do all these on this side.